Jai Sriman 13th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yajñasishtāsinas santaha muchyante sarvakilbishaihi bhunjate ते त्वघं पापाः ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणात्। Om. Everything that we are enjoying is granted by Sriman Narayana. So before we enjoy anything, eat anything, offer that one to Sriman Narayana, that becomes pure and removes all the sins. Otherwise, it adds more sins. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that everyone should surrender to him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall offer everything that we are enjoying to Sriman Narayana before I enjoy. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra," Bhagiratha saying to Ganga Devi like this, "O Ganga Devi, when you come on to this earth, Paramasiva will bear you on his head." When he said, Ganga Devi asked, "O Bhagiratha, then go ahead and do tapasya for Paramasiva." Bhagiratha did tapasya. Paramasiva appeared to Bhagiratha. Then Bhagiratha asked, "O Paramasiva, can you please take Ganga Devi's velocity, the stream velocity?" Then Paramasiva said, "Tadhastu, yes, I shall definitely do." Then Paramasiva, the one sarvaloka hitaha sivaha dadhara avahitaha gangam padaputa jalam harehe భక్తవత్సలుండు ఫాళాక్షుడు ఆ భగీరథుని మెచ్చి నిజ శిరంబునందు శౌరిపాదపూత సలిలయై దివి నుండి ధరకు వచ్చు గంగదాల్చెనప్పుడు. పరమశివ, the one who wish the welfare of the entire world always. Such Paramashiva now taking the Ganga, which is touched by Srimannarayana's divine feet and became sacred. The Ganga which came out from the Srimannarayana's feet. Such sacred Ganga Jalam was taken by Paramashiva and kept on his matted hair, Jatajutam. After that, such sacred Ganga Jalam came out of Paramashiva's Jatajutam and followed Bhagiratha's chariot, then reached the place where the mountain of ashes of Bhagiratha's ancestors are there. Now Ganga reached over there. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 13th sloka. Yajñasishta sinasantaha muchyante sarvakilbishaihi bhunjate te tvagam papaha ye pachanti atmakaranat. Yajñasishta sinasanto muchyante sarvakilbishaihi bhunjate te tvagam papaha ye pachanti atmakaranat. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.